Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I'm your host, Hashmi. On this channel, we help you learn real, simple, and practical English that you can use in your daily life. Hello, everyone. I'm Uman. I'm very happy to be here with you today. Today's topic is very important for today's generation, something we all use every day. Yes, today we are talking about smartphones, focus, and how they affect our life. This episode is not only a story, it is also an English lesson and a life lesson. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Before the story, let's learn some useful English words. These words are very common in modern life. Smartphone, a mobile phone with internet and apps. Focus, the ability to give attention. Distraction, something that takes your attention away. Routine, things you do every day. Habit, something you do again and again. Screen time, time spent on phone or screen. Productive, doing useful work. Unproductive, wasting time. Balance, equal and healthy use. Control, power over something. Try to remember these words. We will use them in the story. Now, let's learn a simple grammar rule. Present simple tense. We use present simple for daily habits and routines. Examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. I check my phone. I go to work. He uses his phone a lot. She studies English every day. They waste time online. Now, repeat after us. I use my phone wisely. I focus on my goals. Very good. Meet Ali. Ali is 22 years old. He is a student. Ali wakes up at 7 in the morning. The first thing he does is check his phone. Messages, notifications, social media. He says, just 5 minutes. But 5 minutes become 1 hour. Now Ali is late. He feels stressed. He skips breakfast. He feels tired. At college, Ali wants to study, but his phone vibrates again and again. New messages, new videos, new distractions. Ali opens his phone without thinking. His focus is gone. Let's pause here. Answer this in your mind. Do you check your phone first in the morning? Comment below, yes, I do, or no, I don't. One day, Ali decides to change. He says, I control my phone. My phone does not control me. He makes new habits. He wakes up. He prays, he exercises, he studies for 1 hour. Then he checks his phone. Your phone is a tool, not a master. Use technology. Don't become its slave. Here are some easy English sentences for daily use. Repeat after us. I limit my screen time. I focus on my work. I use my phone for learning. I learn English every day. Now it's your turn. Answer in the comments. How many hours do you use your phone daily? And tell us, do you want better focus? If yes, like this video. Subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor. Share this with one friend. Remember, real English is simple English, and a focused mind creates a successful life. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing.